Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and we are driving my 2020 M340i XDrive. I've had this car for about 5 months now, so I'll do a full 6-month review coming up. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for that. Like and share this video so our channel can grow, and always leave a comment below. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm the cameraman, the editor, the MC. Make a comment. I'll respond to it. I don't have, I'm not a big channel. I don't have a social media guy pretending he's me. You're actually making a comment to me. All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why I love the M340i XDrive, and make sure to watch the end to see all 5. So as we're approaching the highway here, this is going to tell me, this is my #1 reason why I love this car, and the #1 reason why I bought it. And I'll do another video of, why I chose this car over others. But the #1 reason I bought this car, and it's a rainy day, I've been waiting for good weather all week, is the power. This car is fast. BMW claims, BMW, and this is in the pouring rain too. BMW claims a 0 to 60 time for the all-wheel drive, which is I have, 4.1 seconds, about 4.4 seconds for the rear drive. And a lot of you, especially with summer tires, I have the all-season run flats, unfortunately, have gotten into the high 3s with this car, and it is incredibly fast. For a 3 Series, it's not even the M3 that's coming out. So that's my first thing I love about the car, is the engine, the power. Other things I love about the car, now that I've had it for 5 months, well, I guess you can see it right in the camera, is this interior. This is like a $1,400 option, and I have Vanascar leather interior, I believe is how you pronounce it. I've always taken the Napa leather on my other BMWs, and this is fantastic. Well worth, I think it's $1,400 at $1,450, something like that. And I do a full video of the options, what options I think are must-haves, so you can watch that options video. We don't have to get in here. So reason #1, the power. Reason #2, the interior. It's really a great interior. Now the third reason, which will be very obvious if you watch the channel, I love cars that handle, and this car is no exception. The handling on this car is amazing. And again, unfortunately, let's change lanes here. I have the all-season run flats, and this car would be so much better handling with summer tires. I've always had cars, my Audi S8, my daily driver previous to this, only comes with sticky summer tires to get that performance out of the car. So I put on winter tires, and kind of got tired of doing that. And here, the way I see all M340s, they're all spec'd, at least in dealer lots, and I bought off the lot essentially. They're spec'd with the XDrive here in northern New Jersey, and the all-season run flat. So the best way to probably get this car, honestly, would be rear drive, summer tires, and then use the, get a set of winters. All right, so that was reason #3, right? So we got the power, essentially the performance. We have the leather interior, the optional leather interior, and then, of course, the handling. Can we go red on red here? It says yes. In New Jersey, you can go red on red, but sometimes there's signs that you can't. All right, so now the 4th reason, and sorry for this terrible weather. I mean, I've been waiting for over a week to film this video, and it's just raining every single day, so I had to do this in the rain. That's the downside of living in the Northeast. So the 4th reason, I would actually say the looks. I think this car is a beautiful car, especially in this Portimao blue, but it comes in great colors. So originally, thanks to BMW of Tenafly, and that's where I bought this car, I reviewed their first car when it came out, which was an M340i XDrive, just like mine, in sapphire black, and that car was gorgeous. They have some really nice grays. They have a really beautiful colors for this car. Thank you, BMW, for actually giving us different color choices. Blues. There's like a sunset orange color. There's a lot of cool colors for this car. So I just love how it looks. I think it looks sharp. I think it's probably the best looking 3 Series ever. It doesn't have those big grills from the 4 Series, and I think it is a real sharp looking car. Now the 5th reason, and there's a lot of good reasons for this car. There's some downsides to the car as well. Like, I would like to see a manual transmission option. Again, I'm not crazy about these all-season run flats. The all-season tires don't have very good grip. I think they'll be fine in the winter, but like in the summer, if you want to do any spirited driving, they're not great tires for that. And if you're going to do on long trips, take the family out, or I'm a commercial real estate broker, so we're not having clients in our car anymore this year, but I'm sure at some point that'll return. And the run flat tires give a stiff ride. So there are a lot of things that certainly can be improved on, and I think most of those, or certainly some of them, will be improved on for the new M3 and M4. And the fifth reason I love this car, and it may surprise you because I just said probably in a perfect world I'd have the rear drive version, is this XDrive all-wheel drive. It is just, so far I haven't tested in the snow. I bought this car June 1st, and so we're probably at least 4 weeks away from our first snowstorm, which I'll take it out on camera to see how it goes in the snow. But this XDrive has been pretty amazing so far, certainly in wet weather and less than ideal conditions. So if you're looking for a good all-wheel drive, up here comes a fire engine. All right, so now we have a fire engine a couple up the road there, so you might hear some sirens. But so the fifth reason that I love this car may surprise you, because I just said in a perfect world I'd have this in rear drive and summer tires, but actually the XDrive, the all-wheel drive system. So coming from the Audi Quattro, all my other BMWs, I believe this is my 8th BMW, the first with an automatic transmission, and I believe the first with all-wheel drive, because the others were all M cars, and the XDrive is pretty phenomenal. We're still about a month away here from our first snowfall, so I'll definitely take it out with the camera the first snowstorm we get, but it's really, in the wet weather and slippery conditions, this XDrive has been absolutely amazing. Now there's some other stuff I love about the car, so watch our options video. I go through some options, go through some of our full review, ownership review videos. I'll go through specific, like the 360 camera and some other cool features on this car. So make sure to watch all those videos. I just try not to repeat myself in every video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Nobody